Oh, nice. I just making character come outside the game. I still need to fix it. Oh, boyfriend, what do you want? You want to rap, right? I'm bad at singing. Well, I think, if you give me a little time, I will send you back. Huh? Not working? Why? But I'm sure that I already fixing the code. Why it didn't work? Ouch! Yeah, you're right. I need to take a break from coding and have fun. Hey, what do you think if we have some fun? Bring it on.
3, 2, 1, go!
Well, you pretty good than I thought. I'm so bad at it. Oh, are you cheering me up? Thanks. Hey, do you want another song? So, yeah, let's start.
3, 2, 1, go!
lost again, huh? Like always. Yeah, because I'm a loser. And I can't make anything success in my life. Funny, right? Who in the world can make anything success? You don't understand anything. You just only can say people. You don't even understand how I feel. You just like them that keep berate me and bullying me. You just like my family that keep taking away my dream, but now I'm going to end it now. Welcome back to your own final song of your life. But no one cares about you, boyfriend. Even your girlfriend didn't care about you. Ooh. Oh. Surprise? Yeah, look at them, kissing each other, and they did it without you. Oh, are you angry? Well, you can't do anything now because you were here with me in this glitch room forever. Ouch! Still have a hope? Well, I'm going to make you lose all your hope.
3, 2, 1, go!
Even I used all my power, but I I still can't beat you. How failure am I? Right? I'm sorry with everything. I will send you back to you again. Don't worry about me. I will be fine. Okay. I think everything should work now. Special message. Oh. Oh.
Alright, so we're gonna move on to the next mod, which is Friday Night Funkin. This mod is actually kinda good. I kinda like it. You know, I'm gonna add it to the mod list so you guys can check it out if you want.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for everything, boyfriend. Okay. Time to send you back home. Are you ready? Great. 3, 2, 1, go! It worked! Well, it's time to say goodbye. Bye, boyfriend.